Well, this is an example of what you might call a talking test paper, and it's for students whose mathematical ability may be fine but may have difficulty in reading the question. And although this isn't probably the best example, it'll give you an idea of what can be done. This test paper is generated using the ExamView assessment suite but printed on a sheet of Livescribe paper. So down at the bottom we see the Livescribe controls for record, pausing, stop and playing and everything like that. Now at the top of the paper you'll find some instructions, and it has here to tap the square to listen to the instructions. So there is some instructions recorded when the student taps that square with the pen, and beside each question is the black dot, and to listen to that question the student simply taps that dot, and they can pause the recording or stop after each question by tapping the stop button down here. You'll also notice that I have this test in a plastic sleeve. The Livescribe pen can actually work with the paper through a plastic sleeve, and this stops students from writing on the paper or if they accidentally write on it, so I can use it again for another student. And the idea of this is that they would have a bubble sheet, which might be a grade cam bubble sheet, which you'll be able to score later. So as an example, the student gets the paper and tap on this square, and hopefully you'll be able to hear the pen.
Beside each question number you will see a black dot. Tap this dot to listen to the question and then tap the stop.
And we'll just stop that now. And so the student can listen to those instructions as many times as required. When listening to the question, of course the teacher or some other person has recorded the question. They go to their first question or whichever one they're up to and tap the black dot.
Question 1. Look at the diagram and locate the point R on the number line. The question is, what is the absolute value of point R? Your choices are A, 0, B, 6, C, -10, and D, -6.
And the student will simply tap this stop button, fill in their answer on their bubble sheet, and then when they're ready they go back to the next question and tap on the button next to there. So this might give you some idea how you can use the Livescribe pen with a test situation, and it's very similar to some of the work that has been done by Tim Fahlberg, which you'll be able to click on the link with this video.